A checkbox input controls parameters with an on or off state using a checkbox. Configured parameters from parts, assemblies, suppression state, and assembly features are configurable with a checkbox input. This hydraulic cylinder is available in a standard or heavy-duty version and has two different cap styles. There is also a design requirement. When a flat cap is used, it must be threaded and cannot use a clevis pin mount. Each of the corresponding parts have configurations for both of the design requirements and are used at the assembly level. To create a checkbox input, activate the tab of the assembly to be configured, then open the configuration flyout. Expand the Configure Assembly button and select Checkbox. A dialog displays where a name is given to the input and the default behavior is set. Once accepted, the checkbox input now displays within the configuration flyout. If configurations were already present, or to add additional checkbox inputs, expand Add Configuration Input at the bottom of the configuration flyout and select Checkbox. To rename a checkbox, click inside the table header and rename. Selecting the Overflow menu presents options to copy, rename, or delete the table, along with changing the checkbox order in the configuration selector. Adding parameters to individual tables and configuring assembly properties will be covered in the Configuring an Assembly lesson. After creating a checkbox input, the configuration selector displays in the top left corner of the browser. For this assembly, two checkboxes are present: flat cap and heavy duty. Each checkbox controls the part or assembly configuration and suppression state for the respective tables. To activate a specific configuration, check on or off each individual box. The assembly updates accordingly. The active configuration is also indicated inside the configuration flyout by a blue highlight.